guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittney here and I am just in a filming frenzy. I'm just so excited to film and I've been buying a lot of pretty cool stuff and it's just been like piling up and piling up and piling up, and I want to chat with you guys about the things. I know it's a mess back here. So what we're going to do today is we are talking all about a makeup mystery kit. So I know what you're thinking, Brittney, don't you know you're not supposed to buy makeup mystery kits? There's horror stories all over the internet and there's disclaimers all over the internet about buying mystery kits online. However, from what I can tell, most people just really don't want you to partake in the eBay experience because there's a lot more used items or it's like tester items. So I went to Etsy because I love Etsy. Some of my favorite like jewelry and planner shops are on there. So I found this place called the Tresure Grotto, which was so exciting. And they do mystery kits and they have almost perfect 5-star review or like very close. The weird thing about the Tresure Grotto is I actually got two packages from them. So this one I did not look in. I took it out of the bag and then realized what it was and I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm not opening it. I want to like have a unique experience. So I bought one mystery kit for $30 and I received 2 different packages. So I don't know if like that happened on purpose or like if I got 2 kits. I'm not sure. But I think what we're gonna go ahead and do is just start opening up the first kit. Let me tell you guys what the Tresure Grotto promises. Gotta get on Etsy, gotta get on Etsy and get some earrings. Oh my gosh, you guys, here's what I'm looking at on Etsy right now. Let me see, can I make this bigger? I'm like so obsessed, but I would need like 4 of these and they're like $29 and I say I can't justify it, but like low-key I can. Okay, there is no, I only ordered one, so I don't know, maybe I just got an extra one. Okay, so it says, this is what it looks like, and it says, beauty mystery box for women, makeup brushes, jewelry, steampunk, mermaids. There's no question marks, but she has 110 reviews, you guys. Looks like 5 stars all the way in. So it says, mystery box for women can include makeup accessories, jewelry, perfume, keychains, etc. Themes include Game of Thrones, Harry Potter, mermaid, unicorn, and all things magical. Guaranteed 3 to 4 items valued at $75 retail. So that's pretty rad. I like all things magical. Actually, maybe a little known fact about me is I love magic. Like if there's ever a magic show, I just love it. Do you guys remember when you were a kid or whatever and they used to televise magic shows on TV and they used to like make you a part of it and they would like make an airplane disappear? I would live for those shows. Okay, so we're gonna open the first part of the package and I'm not even gonna look at it and we're just gonna grab something. Okay, the first thing we have, what is this? It's a pen. Okay. It's a pen that looks like a wand? Is this supposed to be a wand? I don't know what this is supposed to be. Well, it writes, and I actually like the way it writes. Very fine point pen. Okay, that's all right. All right. Oh, what else? Oh, what's in here? Storybook Cosmetics. We've all heard about them. They have some pretty cool stuff. This is heavy. Holy crap, these are makeup brushes? This is so heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are golden makeup brushes. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel these. These are like real metal. I don't know what these are supposed to look like. Bones? I'm so confused but so intrigued at the same time. So I got either an angled liner or an eyebrow brush, a little pencil brush, a angled shader brush. God, these are beautiful. This one is a little pack on the color brush and it's got this hook. What is this supposed to be? If you guys know what this is supposed to be, I am so interested in finding out. And this one is just like your blending brush. And they're very soft. Wow. This is beautiful. These are, can you guys hear that? Full metal. That'd be interesting to do your makeup with. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. The sparkle is real. hand enameled charm. Okay, this is a little, it's a unicorn necklace. It's cute. It's a little bit young for me. It's a little bit out of my personal taste, but it's very cute. And then from Storybook Cosmetics again, I cannot believe they have so much of this stuff in here. It says Wizardry and Witchcraft. Oh my god, it looks like a book. What is this? Shut up. Is this real? Is this real stuff? Is this, or is this like knockoff stuff? Storybook Cosmetics. So these are like knockoff brands. These are not the same colors. You can really tell with a lot of them. Let's just see. Let's like, do they swatch nicely? Yeah, they totally swatch nicely. Sorry, I'm like all in your face. They swatch nicely and it's a pretty book. I mean, this is such cute packaging, but I think this is a knockoff from the actual Storybooks Cosmetics. Okay, and this is a bracelet. Oh, it's a Game of Thrones bracelet. I only watched like 3 episodes of Game of Thrones because I realized that you can't just like not watch it. I was like looking up from my phone going, wait, what's happening? Everyone's dead. That lady births dragons. This says winter is coming, and then there's like a direwolf little sword thing, and a cross that says Game of Thrones, and a sun, and there's like all kinds of fun stuff on here. I am not a Game of Thrones person, and I'm not really a charm bracelet person, but I'm sure I can find someone who would love something like this and could pass it on to them. So I'm very impressed. I have a feeling that I maybe accidentally got 2 kits, because to me that seems like $75 worth of stuff. Anyways, I feel like overall, like even if this stuff is probably a knockoff. It's probably the same kind of stuff Groupon will sell you, but I got 2 of them, so I don't know if they felt bad and like we're like, oh, it's a knockoff, so we're gonna give you more stuff. But okay. All right, so we're not looking again. We're gonna grab. I got another unicorn. They must have a lot of the unicorn necklaces. That's okay. Oh, I looked down. Oh no. Oh, what are these? Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are obviously face brushes that are pink, and they are filled with crystals. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. And it came in a pack with like a bunch of brushes. That's cool. Okay, wait. Okay, this I didn't see. This is a Snitch bracelet. Oh, so if you guys watch Harry Potter, you know the Snitch is a little golden ball that he catches. Spoiler alert, that movie's been out for like 12 years, okay friend? And so that's really cute. That's actually super cute. I'll have to think about that if I'll wear this. I love Harry Potter, but I'm not like an avid Harry Potter wearer of things. Okay, so there's this cute little box. There's a little piece of jewelry in this. And it's a butterfly necklace. I have no idea what this is from. Maybe it's just saying that butterflies are magical. It's cute though. I would give it to someone for sure. And then I got another Game of Thrones bracelet. So if you guys are into Game of Thrones or unicorns or whatever, let me know. Oh, and then I got a little Black Heart palette. Black Heart is the Hot Topic brand of makeup. They make some really cool stuff. Quality, when I used to buy it, was trash, but I don't know if it's better now. So this is the Spaced Out eyeshadow palette, and it glows in the dark. Do all of them glow in the dark though? This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Let's see if I can swatch some of these for you. These are uninspiring swatches, but I'm sure under a black light this looks really cool. And it's also a cool concept for a little kit. Okay, let me give you guys my review. First off, if I got all of this for $30, I think it is well worth the price. I have a feeling it was a fluke and I actually got 2 kits because they came in 2 separate bags, but they were both addressed to me. They don't have packing slips in them, so it's not like I knew, so maybe they just came separately or whatever, but I did get 2 kits, which ended up being amazing. This is well worth the cost of $30. Some of the stuff is like younger, like the jewelry and stuff I probably won't wear, not because it's not for someone, it's just not my style. But some things that I'm pretty excited about, this Storybook Cosmetic, even though I'm pretty sure it's a knockoff, it swatches really well. This is pretty cool, the spaced out kit. If I was doing this again, if I was a little bit younger, like in high school or maybe even in middle school, and I was really into this stuff, I would 100% get this for someone. So if you know someone in your life who's like into makeup, into like magical unicorny things, unicorny, or even, you know, like Game of Thrones, stuff like that. Even though I feel like if you're in middle school, you shouldn't be watching Game of Thrones. I feel like that's the thing. Definitely get this for them because it's a really cute idea and it's well worth the price. And I just love the idea of like a mystery kit. Like, it's so cool. So I gotta give this, like, do you guys remember in Living Color? Like 2 thumbs up and... I hope you're okay. I gotta turn the air on. I know that noise is so annoying, but my dog is literally hyperventilating because he's like sitting up here in a fur coat.
I think this one still deserves the new and improved 2 snaps, a twist, and a kiss.
Oh my gosh, I don't remember what the original snap. It's like 2 snaps and something, I feel like. In Living Color, such a great show. A little bit outdated, tad offensive, but such a great show. Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I totally recommend this. I can see why they have 5 stars. They put out like really great, unique stuff, and it's not used and it's not trash. And if you're buying this for yourself or someone that you like, I think it's pretty safe to say that you would enjoy the products that you got, and you would at least be like, it's at least fun to open them. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you were here with me. Please stay tuned for any other videos that I have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be here twice a week, so if you don't like, comment, or subscribe, I'm just gonna be like Brandon, why aren't you subscribed? Like, Braxton, are you subscribed? Do I just need to start calling people out like by name? Because I will. Oh, I will. Anyways, thanks guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.